Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. At this point, guys, we're literally just printing money because we see the same pattern, the same plays inside the stock market that makes us make financial decisions that favor in us winning and outweighing our risk to reward. Now, just like I said inside the title, we're going to be looking at stocks that Amazon is buying that we need to get before Amazon buys them all up. And usually when a big trillion-dollar company like Amazon is investing inside of one of these smaller companies, billions of dollars, then that company usually performs well for the next year or so. So we've seen this kind of pattern before when Nvidia was investing a lot of money into SoundHound. Let me pull that up right quick. So here's SoundHound. SoundHound went for all the way from what, $8 up to $14.53, up 65% in 1 week alone. Over the last month, they're up 107%. In the last 3 months, they're up 230%. And this is all because Nvidia, the leading industry in AI, has been investing so much money into SoundHound and another AI company, and they see them as to use them into the future. And if Nvidia is investing into them, then a lot of people are buying up SoundHound. So we need to find what stocks that Amazon is buying up, another leading tech inside of the industry, inside the technology sector. We need to find what stocks are they investing into. And I had posted this inside of my Discord. So while the entire stock market is down, we could go to the S&P 500. The entire stock market is down right now. But the play that I gave you guys was Rivian, R-I-V-N. Now go ahead and hit that thumbs up button because I'm giving you guys some information that's gonna make you a lot of money. Hitting the thumbs up button is completely free. And if you'd like to find more videos like this, subscribe to the channel so don't miss out on any future videos. Now Rivian, while the entire stock market is down, Rivian is up 13.27%. And I know you guys are asking, oh, how did you know that was gonna happen? How did you know that was gonna happen? Trust me, guys, we seen this play coming inside the Patreon. We seen this play coming inside the Discord. And let me show you guys why. Because if you was in on this play, you made a lot of money. And while the entire stock market is down, we're up 13%. Boom, in one day like that. That is life-changing money. Now I'm saying it could change your life. It depends on how much you invest. Some people, it could pay their rent. Some people, it could pay their electricity bill. Some people, it could pay their phone bill. That is life-changing money, especially if you're a beginning investor. So let me show you guys why exactly Rivian is taking off. Now we come over here. I posted this inside of my Discord that these are the top 10 companies that Amazon is investing into. You guys could take a look at them. Air Transport, Tillo, Marvel Technologies, but the top one right here is Rivian Automotive Company. They invested $1.8 billion inside of Rivian. I posted this inside of my Discord. When I posted this inside my Discord, so y'all don't think I'm playing games, I posted this yesterday at 10:50 a.m. in the morning that, hey, it's probably gonna pop. And I also talked about it yesterday inside of my holiday video that you guys should have watched. Now, you guys are wondering what's so good? Why is Amazon investing billions of dollars inside of Rivian? Well, if you ordered any packages of Amazon lately, then you probably seen one of the electric vehicles that they're driving around and dropping off your packages in. Well, those vehicles are made by Rivian. Amazon has had orders of 10,000 vehicles, electric vehicles from Rivian. That's why they're investing $1.8 billion into them. And they did have an exclusive deal with them, but I think the exclusive deal went away. But Amazon has so much investment inside Rivian that their partnership is still going to be hand in hand. So the more Amazon invests into them, the cheaper that they can make their vehicles, and the more vehicles Amazon can order in the future to continue to deliver packages. And then Rivian is also getting some grants and bonds from the government to help them build out factories so they can lower their cost of production even more. So it can be a long-term play. I'm going to give you guys a play in this video that's going to make you a lot of money. It's a little different than what you're used to, but I'm going to give you guys a play in here. So if you got around $1,000, you guys could do this play. Well, yeah, if you guys got around $1,000, you could do this play to maybe double it, triple it, quadruple it in just a year or so with this play, because we're going to leverage our stocks by putting in leaps. Now, leap option is when you're buying a call that's longer than a year out. It could be a little shorter than a year, but we like going over a year so we don't get taxed on short-term capital gain. So we're looking for plays that's longer than a year. So we come here, let's go back to my phone. Right now, we're on Robinhood. If you want to hit trade, you can hit trade options, and then we're going to go out a year. I think I already put one on there. I'm not playing games with y'all. So we're going to go all the way out to December 18th, 2026, and we're going to be buying a car. Now we want to look for something with about a 0.8 delta or above, but let's find something around $1,000 right there. I did the $4 call, but right here, I made money from that. So let's look at the $5 call. It's around $1,000. It's at 1095. You multiply that by 100 shares. Remember, when you're doing options, you multiply by 100 because that's how options is for 100 shares. So we're going to click this, and you guys can see that it's a 0.94 delta. So we could go even cheaper if you want to. We look at the 940. All right, so that's a 0.89 delta. So we're in the 80 cents range. And for it to break even, is a plus 14% to break even at $16.78. I had did the $4 call. Break even only needs to go at 5% at a $15.50 break even price. But we're going to stay true to the delta and look at a 0.89 delta at $7.50. So with just $1,000, you could put in a leap option on this. And every time that Rivian goes up $1, your delta is 89, so it'll go up 89 cents for you because you have an 89 delta on Rivian. So you can make a lot of money that way. So even if you was to buy 100 shares of Rivian for around $1,500, now you're only using $940 to control 100 shares, and it's leveraged, so you can make a lot more money in your leap option than you would be holding just the shares. But here's the thing, with this option call, now we have 100 shares available. We have 100 shares available to sell covered calls on because we're in control of those 100 shares. So after we put in a leap option, we're going to do something called selling a poor man's covered call. So now we're going to come out a week back to December 13th. We're going to go out 7 days, 5 days. And then we're going to be selling a call at any price above our entry price on the leap. So now we want to make sure that we're selling above price. So if we're forced to sell, we're forced to sell in a profit. And you guys could come right here and sell a 16. You guys could come right here and sell a 16 call with a chance of profit of 82. The delta is at 0.24, so it's amazing delta. We can even probably come right here. Now that's a little expensive for my blood. All right, so it's a 0.24 delta. We can enter this one and get $21 every single week. We could get $21 every single week selling poor man's covered call on Rivian. So we'll be collecting premium every week. $21, way better than dividends. I'm telling you, premiums is 10 times better than dividends. Dividends is the lazy way. You literally do nothing at all. But if you're willing to put in a little bit of work, like sell covered calls and cash your pussy, if you want to learn how to do that, consider joining the Patreon. That link will be down in the description. Over there, you have access to the Discord. I post every single time I sell my option premiums, poor man cover calls, cash your puts, and we also have 3 pro day traders in there that post their day trades every single day. So if you want to be a part of a community of traders and investors that want to be financially free, I already know you do because you clicked on this video. Go ahead and consider joining the Patreon. That link is going to be down in the pinned comment section and also inside of the description. So if we was to pull out the calculator, $21 times 52 weeks, you can earn an extra $1,000. So you doubled your money just from selling poor man cover calls. And you only bought in with $950, $940 or so. So you're going to be making well over 1% every single week from selling poor man cover calls on Rivian. So you got that in dividends. If Rivian does go up, you're going to double your money right there. So this could be a good play to make a lot of money on Rivian, especially since Amazon is investing billions. I don't think you guys understand. That is a lot of money, guys. That is no joke to play about. That is a lot of money. And we are getting in at the very beginning of this. If you guys want to make sure that you don't miss any plays like that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. It's the best thing that you could do to help support a channel like this. Completely free, just by hitting the thumbs up button or sharing it with a friend. Now, let me know down in the comment section, did you invest inside of sound because you heard a sound first? Or did you start to invest inside of sound because Nvidia started to invest inside of sound? And you was like, oh, if Nvidia investing inside of sound, I'm gonna invest inside of sound too. Let me know if you're gonna do the same play with Rivian. Is because Amazon investing inside, even though Rivian has been on the downtrend for a very long time, but with a big player like Amazon coming in and investing billions of dollars into them, it could be at one of the bottoms that we've been looking for to hopefully ride this right on back up to the top. So yeah, guys, let me know down in the comment section if you are gonna pick up Rivian, or if you know any other plays that these big companies, I'm talking about $1 trillion company, these $1 trillion companies, find out what they're investing into. These are some of the strategical plays that you guys could do. You always look at stock buybacks. Microsoft have $1 billion of stock buybacks every single year. So you want to invest inside companies that have stock buybacks. Stock splits. Stock splits usually perform well over the next 365 days after a stock split compared to S&P 500. We look at market reactions to good news and bad news. And then we're looking at companies that buy up other companies. And the top companies that do that is like Amazon, Microsoft, Apple buy up a lot of companies, and now Nvidia is buying up a lot of companies or investing inside a lot of companies. So if you use those 4 techniques, you don't really need to know technical analysis or look at the market every single day. If you can see these 4 patterns inside the market and you win 3 out of 4, or you win 2 out of 4, and you have a risk to reward of 2 to 1, you will be a successful investor. And these tips and trades is something that once you're inside the market for a long time, you start to see the same patterns over and over and over and over again. And this pattern right here of a $1 trillion company investing billions inside of a company that helps them, this is a pattern that I've seen before, and how we was able to predict this move before everybody else was able to predict this move. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for that, because I'm telling you guys, there's a lot more game coming out about this in the future. But yeah, guys, other than that, make sure that you pick up your free stocks with Moomoo. I'm gonna leave the link to them down in the description. Just for signing up and using their platform, you could get up to 15 free stocks, and they have an 8.1 cash sweep interest on your uninvested cash inside of your portfolio. So if you just want to earn 8% in a year, you could just dump your cash inside of there and just let it sit, and you can earn up to 8% inside of their portfolio, inside their brokerage account. And you have access to many free tools inside of there to help you become a better trader. So if you guys want to collect some free stocks, check out Moomoo. That link is going to be down in the description. But yeah, guys, other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.